The girl is sweeping the garden. Slide. Kids are sliding on the slide. Wave. I'm waving my hand in your right side. Jump. The kids are jumping to touch the sky. Run. I'm running to get first position. Dance. I'm dancing. Sing. I'm singing with my friend. Clap. I'm clapping for my friend. Cook. My mother cooks tasty food. Write. I'm writing a poem for my friend. Read. I'm reading a story. Draw. I'm drawing a picture. Paint. I'm painting a wall. Smile. I'm smiling. Laugh. Kids are laughing. Cry. Kids are crying. Shout. I'm shouting. Whisper. They are whispering. Climb. I'm climbing. Pull. I'm pulling a water bucket from well. Push. My sister is pushing the door. Throw. We should not throw garbage in the river. Catch. I'm catching the ball. Kick. I'm kicking the ball. Pick. He is picking the garbage. Carry. My sister carries my school bag. Open. My school opens at 7 o'clock. Close. My school closes at 2 o'clock. Wash. My father washes his car. Clean. I clean my water bottle. Drive. My father drives his car. Ride. I ride my bicycle. Shop. I'm shopping with my mother. Swim. I'm swimming in the pool. Dip. Everyone wants a dip in the pool in summer. Build. The carpenter built a wooden house. Fix. The carpenter is fixing a table. Knock. I knock the door. Break. The window glass has broken. Bend. My little finger is broken. Now it cannot bend. Cut. My mother cuts the salad for me. Eat. I'm eating noodles. Drink. I drink a glass of milk. Hit. A car hit an animal. Fold. I fold my school dress. Buy. My mother buys some vegetables. Sell. The shopkeeper sells ice cream. Teach. My mother teaches me at home. Learn. I am learning new words every day.